guys, how are you? Andy Suku, founder and CEO of Y2K Credit Solutions. It's been a minute since I did some videos for you guys, right? It's been busy, a lot of events going on. But I got some time today. I'm actually on my way to another event, and got some time today, so I wanted to try to see if I can get 2 or 3 educational content video in there for you guys. I know it's ran out of topics. Anyway, I'm never running out of topics, by the way. There's so much to talk about in this space. There's so much that you guys need to be educated on. So I'm always going to have a topic to talk to you guys about. Today's topic, I want to talk about statute of limitation and the state. The abbreviation for statute of limitation on a debt is SOL, statute of limitation. And a lot of you guys are receiving statute of limitations on certain debts, okay? And you're not reading the whole letter that you're getting, and you're getting it confused. So I just want to come on here, break it down for you guys, and let you know what you need to know when it comes to a statute of limitation or debt being dismissed under statute of limitation. Now, before I go into what statute of limitation is, every creditor, for example, let's use Chase. Let's say you have 3 different credit cards for Chase. The statute of limitation for those 3 credit cards are going to be different. They're not going to all be the same because you have 3 cards with Chase. So this is what I want to clarify with you guys. And that's where the confusion is coming in, because we're getting a lot of calls about statute of limitation on cases that we're currently working on, but the consumer is not understanding exactly what it means. So I wanted to break it down for you guys. So statute of limitation varies by state. New York is 6 years, I believe, 6 or 7, I can't remember. Anyway, Florida is 5. Every state is different. Now you can Google statute of limitation by state to figure out what the statute of limitation is on a debt. So what the statute of limitation means is that the time has come to an end or passed where the creditor can sue you for the debt. That means they no longer can sue you for the debt, okay? However, credit reporting will still continue. Statute of limitation does not stop the negative credit reporting. It just stops the creditor from suing you for the debt. Now, if you get the statute of limitation, you will receive a C-1099 at the end of the year to claim that as profit, okay? So technically, there's no winning out of it. Somewhere, somehow, you're still paying something. Anyway, so every state is different. You can Google the state. You can see your state laws. Now, what I want to talk about is that the difference if you have 3 different cards from the same bank. That's where the confusion is coming. If you receive a letter from a creditor saying the statute of limitation for a debt that you've had with them has come to the expiration time, they cannot no longer sue you for the debt. However, credit reporting will still continue. That letter is only for that particular debt with that account number. It is not for all 3 debt that you have with the same bank. And that was a confusion a lot of our clients are having. So we're currently working on clients' cases, and one of their debt got dismissed, but the other 2 is not dismissed on the statute of limitation. So they're calling us telling us, I don't have to pay the other 2 debt. No, that's not what the letter says. Second of all, creditors will not send you a statute of limitation debt via email. It has to come either via mail, or if you reach out to them and say you want to resolve this debt, they'll let you know, and then you can request a letter stating that statute of limitation has come to an end on the debt. So, I want to make sure that you guys are very careful when you receive these letters for statute of limitation and how you're reading them and perceiving them. You got to read the verbiage and read the whole letter so you can understand what the statute of limitation is for and for which account. And every letter that comes from a creditor that involves a statute of limitation for a debt, it's going to have the last 4 of the account number on there. So I just want to talk to you guys about that, because a lot of you guys are getting that letter these days. But also keep in mind, whatever you don't pay, you will receive a 1099 at the end of the year, and you have to claim that as income on your tax returns. If you have any questions about the statute of limitations, if you have an issue with a debt and you want to know if you qualify for statute of limitation, or you have some debts you just want us to settle and resolve, you just fix it to get it off your credit, give our office a call. And if you have any questions, comments, as always, leave it below and I'll get back to you. Talk to you guys soon. Have a good day.